Wow, look at that big old sleeper. I bet he's got a pooper in there. Yeah, I carry enough junk around in my truck. The last thing I want to carry around is poop. Cut that corner, brah. Just cut it, noob. Well, if you didn't cut the corner, it wouldn't be a problem. Stay in your lane, brah. Color in the lines. You stay on your side, I'll stay on mine. It's actually not that cold. It is going to be warmer this week. Praise God for that. And I got to bring my Chrome back. Because I got to be asking people questions and having them, and then write down all the answers. That's annoying. And the notebook that's too big for this class, but I got it anyway. Yeah, loaded up backpack. Not so much fun. Not so much fun. I feel like it worked better on the R6. It sat up a little straighter, and then I could let it rest on the rear seat. Not on this bad motor scooter. Bop, 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 bop. I'm plenty warm with my liners though, and we're good. Woo! That was a rough one. I didn't like that. Probably shouldn't do it when it's cold, but I usually do. I gotta stop because I don't want to stop, but I'm probably gonna have to. Should have ran with that Beamer and run it. I can't see. Have to go in early. This is my late day, going at 2, man. Oh, I gotta get up at the crack of dawn and have this meeting and have another meeting, go to the doctor's office. Whew. Oh, praise God, I got an appointment because I'm out of medicine. I need my drugs. I need my fix. I'm almost out. I'm out of albuterol sulfate. That don't work. I got 10-year-old stuff, and yeah, it's expired for a reason, because it don't work no more. I need it to work, and it ain't working. Oh, they closed it again? Oh. They just opened it for the weekend? That was stupid. El stupido. There's a blue truck. Doppler. It's the weatherman. Yeah, don't be doing no shenanigans with the heavy backpack on. Ooh, it's dangerous. What can I do? I ain't got no car. And there ain't nothing good on Craigslist, shoot. I looked at everything. I looked at stuff you wouldn't even think of. Shoot, I found a Dodge Stealth. How hard do you have to look for that? Isn't that stupid Fisker behind me? It sure looked like it. Heck of an early day. I do need to get up early and study for my midterm tomorrow. A writing essay midterm. Ugh. Gross, man. That was one long turn lane. It's like a quarter-mile turn lane. There I go. fog up, you ding-dong visor. Do not want to be behind that guy. Oh, it's fogging. Okie dokie. We're cooking with fire now, boys. Get your ugly Ford out of my way. Ooh, M3? Is that an E92? Ooh, it is. Man, you don't see those very often. Woo! V8 M3? Okay. Yeah, it's a little chilly this morning. Oh, and I had to bring my full cable lock too. That makes my backpack heavier. Lock my gear up on my motorcycle. That looks like that Scion on Craigslist. That thing's clean, man. $5 grand for that puppy? Yeah. The Gatorade. Alright, let's try it now. Come on. If I didn't talk, it'd probably be fine. A5, nice. Better in white, of course. Excursion! Oh. No. Well, if there's one thing the Firebird would be good at, just like my R1, it'd be top speed. Ridiculously long gears. So that would be nice. Double overdrive. I can't believe it. They're paying T56 for that one. Fifth is like a 0.7. Sixth is a 0.5. That is just insane. Oh no. Oh no, we can't have this. Yup. I don't like slow people. Do I see a popo? I don't see a popo. Wow, look at that big old sleeper. I bet he's got a pooper in there. Yeah, I carry enough junk around in my truck. The last thing I want to carry around is poop. Oh yeah, it's foggy. It's warm. It's very warm. Now this helmet, that's a big thing. It has, you're like, oh, it's got the best ventilation ever. Yeah, well, it's got the best insulation too. Compared to my last helmet, it'd be blowing in air all the time. Even with all the vents open on this, it's still not nearly as drafty as my last one. So for the winter, this thing is nice. You can do it. I believe in you. Close that visor, man. It's like chunk. It's like you're in an airlock. It's crazy. I never felt the helmet like that. It is sealed, son. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Oh yeah. Off 11 Pro. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, bro. You got some mud on it. Get a little mud on your tires. Trash man. Hey. Where is the Popo? I don't see him, huh? Look, we got a clean morning this morning. T35? Or is it a 37? Probably a 37. Yeah, weird taillights. Oh, that's a Hyundai. Man, that thing looks just like a Infiniti. That big old hunk of concrete still sitting there. I think that's what it is. Freaking cops, you think they'd see it. Like, there's somebody out there to pick it up. Those colors sure wore off quickly. Jeez. Okay, trying to look for cops so I don't merge on with the Popo. That is hard to do with a heavy backpack. Well, there's a pretty coach. Look at the shenanigans we got going on here. He speed fixes everything. Just punch it, you'll find a hole.